and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting because it is sponsored by Lull Mattress, and I'm going to be reviewing a Lull mattress for you guys. And they recently sent me a Lull mattress to review for you guys and tell you all about, so I'm so excited to be doing that. So if you're looking for a new mattress, if you're wanting better sleep, definitely stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button down below, and then you'll hit that notification bell that we're always notified on when I post next. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So like I mentioned, Lull sent over a king size mattress for me to review. And if you guys are unfamiliar with Lull, they are basically a mattress company, and they make a memory foam type mattresses, and they come rolled up in a box, and you'll see kind of like clips of how I got it and everything in the mail, how it was delivered in the mail. But they basically come in a box all rolled up. Once you take it out of the box and you unpack it, it actually expands. The top layer is actually gel infused, so it's supposed to give you kind of a cooling comfort and not like overheat you. And what's so cool about Lull Mattress is that they are very convenient, so they will deliver the mattress straight to your doorstep. You get free shipping, and you also get 100 free night trials. So they basically want you to try it out, see if it works for you, and if you don't like it, you know, within 100 nights, you can actually send it back. Free returns, no hassle. So I thought it'd be so cool to review one for you guys. So I've included some clips sharing with you guys kind of the process and how it comes. And I was always so curious about these type of mattresses because I've actually seen them around for quite some time, and I was really intrigued to see, you know, if they were like a true mattress, just because they were so compact in a box. So they sent it over, and I've included clips here on basically what the process was like from the moment that I got to my doorstep to the moment that I put it on her bed frame. So if you're interested in seeing all that and learning all about it, make sure to keep watching. Okay, so our Lull mattress just arrived, and it came straight to our doorstep. And that's the cool thing about Lull, is that they'll bring them straight to your doorstep, and you don't have to pay shipping or delivery or have like a truck to come, you know, bring it to you. So that's really cool. And so believe it or not, the whole king size mattress is in this box. So we're gonna actually open it up upstairs and check it out and see what it looks like. It has expanded, but it says it can take 2 to 5 hours to continue expanding and 24 hours to fully expand. So we're just going to give it some time. But already it seems very, very soft and comfortable. It does come with like a little pamphlet that kind of tells you a little bit more about the mattress. So it does say that it helps control like temperature. So like if it's really warm, it'll try to keep you cool, and then it's also really good for your spine as well. And it also has motion control, so it doesn't feel like your partner's like movement and stuff, so you're not like flip-flopping and stuff. So that's gonna be cool. So we're gonna test this out and see how it is. But already it feels so nice and so comfortable. It's like a little firm right now, but not too bad. And I think over time it is gonna get probably a little bit softer as you know, wear it in, kind of like a pair of shoes. Also, the really cool thing about Lull is that they give you 100 night trial. So basically you could try it out for 100 nights, and if you don't like it, you can get a full refund for your mattress. So they really stand by their word and really help you, you know, try it out and feel it out for yourself, because they really want you to like enjoy the product. So I'm so excited to be trying this out. As you can see, as you saw in the video, it wasn't very hard to put together. I mean, they literally deliver it at your door, comes fully wrapped, and then you just expand it on your bed. So our bed is a little bit higher, but actually it's not too bad. I mean, it is a little lower than our other one, but as it continues expanding, I'm sure it'll be a little bit higher. But even right now, it doesn't look too bad. And then once we like add, you know, the bed sheets and the comforter and the pillows, I think everything will look good. So let's go ahead and put that together now. Okay, so this is what the bed looks like once it's made. So it is a little bit lower than our pillow top mattress that we had before, but honestly, it still works. It is going to keep expanding, so I am curious to see how big it'll forget how much more it will expand, but overall, I'm very happy with it. I think it's great quality and it's really comfortable. So thank you so much to Lull for sponsoring today's video and sending me this mattress. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing a Lull mattress for yourself, you can get $150 off with my coupon code that I will link down below. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.